Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stan. Welcome to my channel. Last minute Christmas card project. Just one more project. Something very simple, and I hope you like. And don't forget the Boxing Day, December 26th. We have a great promotion, 25% off everything online, and also free shipping for Canada and the US. And for our YouTube viewers, you always get at least a 5% extra discount code. Make sure you use the Boxing Day 1226 when you check out, so you will get a 30% off plus free shipping to US and Canada. So today's video is actually something very simple and easy, and just some great tips if you want to make a fast Christmas card. This is definitely a great project. And or if you want to make something for New Year or anything else, I think it's just the idea, and then you can try to create a different kind of card for all the occasion. Okay, so we are going to use this Jumanji sling line combo set. So this is what I like to do. Remember, in my previous video, I always like to pre-stamp a few of the image, and anytime when I need it, I just I have something handy. I don't have to wait until the ink is dry. So I already pre-stamp and pre-die cut, and I'm going to share with you what kind of card I come out with it. And then this is awesome. You can is a sling line design, but every single image you can trim it off, and then you can create any kind of card you like. So this is the first one that I create, and then you can also use the panda. I have created a lot of different kind of Christmas card to share with you guys. So the idea is you just have any kind of like joy or love or anything you like, something simple, a word, and then you can just decorate it with any kind of stamp. I prefer animal. So when I'm looking for all my collection, I just found out this one will be a perfect to go with it. So what I do, I just color with color one, and then I can just separate individual animals, and then it's like this one. And then don't forget to check the video how to create the 3D eyeball. Okay, so I'm going to share with you, I am actually going to do some coloring. Like I did a video to share with you guys the Copic marker versus no name, like Ohuhu alcohol markers. So, and I'm going to just color one of these with Ohuhu alcohol markers to share with you guys how do I do the coloring. Recently, I kind of find out, the coloring with the alcohol marker is kind of relaxing for me. Before, I think people change. Before, I really have a problem to color inside the line. But recently, I just found out the color inside the line actually can coming down. And then I think some of you guys probably like to learn a little bit more about the coloring technique. So if you find this part coloring is kind of boring, just fast forward it. But I'm going to just share with you guys how I color. So just a fast preview. This is what I come out with. So you can choose to use the lighter background or the darker background. Okay, so and then if you have a Cricut or those kind of electronic die cut machine, and you want to get the least joy file, just make sure you send me an email, and I will send you this joy PNG file. So that way you can create those offset outline, and then the die cut too. If you don't have a electronic die cut machine, this is something else I did. This is I bought it from one of the craft show. It is about craft design, and they have all the letters. The only thing is that they are a little bit small, and then you can also check at the dollar store. Dollar store sometimes they have those kind of pre die cut actually I have some. I'm going to show you. So this is the one, is small one. So you just use a small image. I'm sure if you check your collection, you can find a lot of small animal will fit this kind of project. And then also in the back, I'm going to share with you how did I create this snowflake. And then also the snowflake die cut, if you like it, if you have an electronic die cut machine, just send me an email and I can send you the joy, the snowflake, and this Santa's PNG file, so that way you can play. So let me see if I can find that die cut. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I bought this one long time ago. It's just those kind of letters die cut. So you can use this one instead of the electronic card or the die cut. Or I remember at the dollar store I saw they do have some kind of letters. Yeah, so the idea is just this card is just you have some words and then put a small animal on top. So this is another let me show you first. So the first one I was just using the hippo. And then this is the white one, kind of just idea. I'm going to use my giraffe. I think that will be a perfect spot for that. And if you find out on the side is too empty, you can put a snowflake on top. And then I have a panda here. You can put the panda too, and this panda is actually kind of cute. What you can do is you can, after you do the coloring, you can kind of insert the O like that. And then you can put the little hat on top. I think that's really cute. So, and then I have actually the zebra too. Okay, so zebra kind of just put down here. So just make this card more interesting. Okay, and then one more is my last video I was using the Home Sweet Home. Okay, so if you haven't checked this video, make sure you check it out. And then the Home Sweet Home have a three little very cute kitty cat and a doggy here. So you can add just place your little animal any place you like. Just decorate that joy or the love or ho ho ho, anything you like. Okay, so that's just idea. Okay, I'm going to finish that. I'm gluing that one later, but first I'm going to share with you how did I get this snowflake. Okay, so this one is the die cut. If you want it, just send me an email, ask for the snowflake PNG file or SVG file. Okay, and then I will send it to you. So I actually die cut this one on the holograph cardstock. So it's kind of, the surface is kind of water resist, which is great. And then I'm going to just use this inexpensive cardstock, and then I'm going to just use this as a stencil, and I am going to use a magic mushroom. And if you are interested to purchase a set of magic mushroom, the Boxing Day sale will be awesome, because usually a set of a magic mushroom, the shipping is like $17, and I'm offering free shipping plus 25 plus 5% off. So it's great deal, and that only happen once a year. Okay, so I'm going to use the magic mushroom. I did a lot of video talking about this magic mushroom. Or magic mushroom is just awesome because see, you just kind of they are kind of, actually my magic mushroom is need a little bit moisture. Let's grab. Okay, so Vancouver is getting so cold. We are going to get a lot of snow this weekend. We're going to have a white Christmas. So I was just using this magic mushroom this afternoon, and now it's completely dry. So remember, the magic mushroom, you need to be a little bit moisture so they will blend in a little bit better. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, well, luckily I can put it right spot. And be careful because our paper is white, so you don't want to have any fingerprint. And then you just kind of tap in the middle, and then kind of just rub. Okay, like this. Kind of brush from the center. There you go. Just like that, and put here. In the middle, you're going to just tap, hit hard. Is going to be darker color, and the release a little bit pressure is a lighter, and kind of just a brush from the center. Okay, there you go. That's the other one. And then let's just do one more, and I'm going to just do this corner. Same thing, hit hard. And see how pretty it is. Okay, if you want one more, we can just do this corner too. Hit hard. Kind of just brush. So our magic mushroom is awesome because they can create the darker color and the lighter color. And then you can see after I apply the color, because this holographic cardstock is kind of water resist, so kind of just wipe off the ink on top, and then you can reuse again. So the first one, I'm going to just grab this joy. Okay, and my white one, 2G3. Okay, just like that. And I think that looks really pretty already, right? And then I'm going to just put my giraffe. I think this corner. So I'm going to just move my joy a little bit. So try to like balance your paper. And then here, if it's too empty, we can just put one snowflake over there. Voila! So that's the first one. Let me glue everything. I'm going to working on the second one. Ta-da! See, that's just a little bit touch out, and looks how pretty it is. I'm sure if you check all your collection, you can find something to add those little character on your card. Okay, so this is the first part of the video, and I hope you like it. And then the second part of video, I am actually going to use alcohol marker to color this image. If you like, feel free to continue to watch. If not, just make sure you check our Boxing Day sale. So it's going to be December 26th. The 25 plus 5% off for all the online order include the gift certificate, and it's free shipping for US and Canada. And we wish you have a wonderful holiday and see you in 2022. So let's continue to coloring this Jumanji with a copy marker.